Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Ayati's Views. Friends, here I will tell you about Nobel Prizes 2021 and tricks so you can easily find out answer in the examination. So let's start. First category is peace and it is jointly given to journalist Maria Ressa and Dmitry Muratov to safeguard freedom of expression, which is precondition for democracy and lasting peace. Here is trick. I have taken two name Maria plus Muratov equal to Mamu. So you can remember like that. Mamu, please express your freedom with peace. Mamu, please express your freedom with peace. Second category is physics, totally 3 persons. One of awarded to Saikuro Manabe and Klaus Hasselmann for physical modeling of Earth climate, quantifying variability and reliably predicting global warming. Other half awarded to Giorgio Parisi for the discovery of interplay of disorder and fluctuations in physical system from atomic to planetary scales. You can see trick here. I have taken Manabe plus Hasselmann plus Parisi. So you can remember like that. Be man like Parisi, who is perfect in topics like climate change and physical system in physics. Be man like Parisi, who is perfect in topics like climate change and physical system in physics. Next category is chemistry. There are two persons, Benjamin Rist and David W.C. Macmillan, for the development of asymmetric organocatalysis. And the trick is List plus Macmillan equal to, read out as, please list out Macmillan's chemistry asymmetry topics. Please list out Macmillan's chemistry asymmetry topics. Next is physiology or medicine. There are two persons, David Julius and Ardem Petaposhian, and it is given for receptors for temperatures and touch discoveries. Trick is Julius plus Ardem. Ardem read as RDM, so you can remember as Julie and RDM teach TT method, touch and temperature in medicine. Julie and RDM teach TT method in medicine. Next is literature. Only one person, Abdul Razzaq Gurnah, for his uncompromising and uncompassionate penetration of effects of colonialism and fate of refugees in the gulf between cultures and continents. So trick is I have taken name Abdul Razzaq. So you can remember like that. Razzaq is Telugu literature teacher, lives in our colony. Colony is resemble to colonialism. Razzaq is Telugu literature teacher, lives in our colony. Next and last category is economics. There are three persons. One half awarded to David Card for his imperial contribution to labor economics. Other half to Joshua D. Angrist and Guido W. Imbens for their methodological contributions to the analysis of causal relationship. And the trick is Card plus Angrist plus Guido equal to you can remember like that. Mr. Card is angry on guide for showing relationship between paisa and rupee. You can correlate paisa and rupee with economics. So friends, this is all about the Nobel Prize winners 2021. Thank you very much friends.